Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. Imagine flying through the air and capturing everything above, below, and behind you in stunning detail. Most drones only see what is right in front of them. If you want a 360-degree view, you usually have to deal with bulky cameras and hours of painful editing. But everything is about to change. DJI is preparing to drop a massive bombshell on the drone industry. We are talking about the DJI Avata 360. This is not just a small update to the older models. It is DJI's first ever flagship 8K Panoramic, FPV drone. This machine is designed to change how we think about aerial photography. It merges the thrill of first-person view flying with the total immersion of spherical video. The best part is that it does all the hard work for you. You won't need to spend all night stitching videos together on your computer. It is seamless, it is fast, and it is coming much sooner than you think. The official launch is set for March 26, 2026, at 12 PM GMT. DJI has been teasing this with the slogan, "Above it all, see it all." If you live in China or Asia, you can find it in stores on that very same day. For those of us in the US, Europe, or Australia, shipping is expected to start around April 9th, 2026. This drone is a major departure from the standard Avata line. Instead of just looking forward, this drone uses a hybrid camera system. It is rumored to have a rotating gimbal with twin fisheye lenses. These lenses point up and down to capture a full 360-degree view. If you want to fly like a traditional racer, you can switch it to a single-lens FPV mode. This flexibility is a game changer for creators. You get the best of both worlds in one single device. The specs on this thing are absolutely mind-blowing. We are looking at 8K panoramic video. That means the clarity will be sharp enough to see every tiny detail in your environment. If you prefer traditional video, it can also shoot 6K at 60 frames per second in HDR. This ensures your colors look vibrant and your shadows stay deep and rich. Under the hood, leaks suggest a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is a huge deal because a larger sensor means much better performance in low light. Whether you are flying at sunset or inside a dim building, your footage will look professional. The drone weighs about 450 grams, which is light enough to be agile but heavy enough to handle a bit of wind. Flight performance has also received a significant boost. You can expect a flight time of around 23 to 25 minutes. While that might not sound like a long time for an FPV drone, it is actually quite impressive. It allows you to explore further and stay in the air longer than most racing drones. The top speed is also rumored to be higher than the current Avata 2. This means more adrenaline and more excitement during your flights. Safety is a top priority for DJI as well. The Avata 360 comes with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This means the drone has sensors looking in every direction to keep you from crashing into trees or walls. It also features the O4 Plus transmission system. This gives you a rock-solid connection for up to 20 kilometers. You can fly far away with total confidence that your video feed won't cut out. The design stays true to the Cinehoop style that fans love. It has a gray ducted frame with fully enclosed spherical propeller guards. This makes it very safe for indoor flying or getting close to people and objects. It is built to bounce off things rather than break. For the best experience, it will be compatible with the DJI Goggles N3 and Goggles 3. You can control it using the RC Motion 3 or the FPV Remote Controller 3. In my opinion, this is the most exciting drone DJI has released in years. It solves the biggest problem with 360-degree video by making it easy and fun to fly. It is a perfect tool for real estate, action sports, and travel vloggers. If you want the ultimate FPV experience, this is the drone to wait for. If you like the video, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech.